It's Thredup Thursday. Welcome back, y'all. It's Christina. I'm here for another Thredup Thursday. Today, we're going to be opening the Thredup Namebrand Handbag Box. It's not what I do super often, but when they have them on sale, I usually pick one up. If you aren't familiar with this box, it includes 4 name brand handbags. So that could be like Michael Kors, DOONEY Kate Spade, Marc Jacobs, Rebecca Minkoff. I've gotten a Tumi before and one Tory Burch. So you never quite know what you're going to get in these boxes. It's usually a general mix of those brands of bags with maybe another one mixed in or something. And then you also get an accessory. So you get 5 total pieces, 4 bags, 1 accessory for $100 plus shipping and plus tax. So we'll get into this one, but before I do my unboxings, I always like to point out what I'm wearing. And today's look comes with a special shout out to one of my YouTube friends. You guys, I got some friend mail, and my friend Steph over at the Steph Style sent me some friend mail, you guys. She sent me, I'm dying over this bottle of Judith Ripka perfume. I love Judith Ripka jewelry, and so now I have perfume to match. I also have Tiffany perfume because I love Tiffany, and that's usually what I wear most of the time. I am wearing this today, and it smells amazing. So thank you, Steph, for the perfume. She also threw a little, and it not really little, okay, extra in the box for me, you guys. Y'all, Steph sent me this gorgeous marcasite ring. It is so beautiful. Many of you know I love marcasites. Look at the stack on that. It is gorgeous. I couldn't believe it. Literally, Steph, when I opened it, I gasped. It is stunning, and I absolutely love it. So thank you so much. And that kind of inspired my look today. Of course, I'm just wearing a thrifted black tee. I picked this one up last week. Whenever I see a black tee in really good shape at the thrift, I just go ahead and pick it up because I wear black a lot. I'm wearing it with a Judith Jack marcasite and onyx necklace, Judith Jack marcasite earrings, and then a Judith Jack marcasite bangle. So anyways, I love my marcasites, and thank you so much, Steph, for the sweet friend mail. Like, you made my day, truly. So one more shout out before we get into the unboxing. You guys, I have a little something to add to my background. Many of you know I've got a bunch of jewelry jars back there, and I have a couple fairy doors from my friend Brighton back there. But you guys, Brighton made me another fairy door this summer. While he was volunteering at camp, many of you know if you watch his channel, he was away this summer volunteering at a youth camp. He teaches woodworking there. And in his spare time, which is not a bunch, he uses craft jewelry he collects throughout the year and makes these gorgeous fairy doors. I got my new one and I love it. Okay, it's perfect. Now, I sent him a piece that I asked him, could he please put it on a door for me? But he didn't just throw it on a door. Of course not. This door's perfection. I can't wait to show you. Hello. You guys, this door is amazing. You have a very thick piece of, I think he said it's oak. I don't know. Sorry, Brighton. I don't know my wood as good as you do. And this beautiful butterfly. This is the piece that I sent him to put on the door for me. And then behind that is a J. Crew necklace that he repurposed and attached. This is from a necklace I sent him to use on fairy doors. And then a doorknob that has a pressed flower in it, which is absolutely perfect for me. So I will be including that in the background here so you guys can enjoy that. If you're interested in purchasing a fairy door from him, he will be showing about one a week. He's made a bunch for sale out of gorgeous jewelry in different shapes, different colors. So make sure to check that out, okay? All right, so without further ado, you guys, let's get into this unboxing. If you happen to be new here, what's up? My name is Christina. I'm a part-time reseller. I resell here on my YouTube channel, which means I will be giving prices in the video. So if you see one of these bags that you're interested in, you just let me know and I can sell it to you. I invoice through PayPal and then I ship to you directly. So a few of you had questions about like my invoicing and shipping schedule. I do my invoicing at the end of the week. I either do it very late on Thursday night, like tonight, or it will be Friday evening. Okay, so it's either Thursday or Friday evening. Then on Sunday evening, I print the paid invoices. So I package and ship on Mondays. Okay, that is how it works. So if you don't pay before I print the invoice, it's going to be another week before I ship. I only ship 1 day a week and I only invoice 1 day a week. That works best for my schedule. And so that's just kind of how it works, y'all. Okay, so I cut the tape on this already, but I wanted to show you how messed up this box was when I got it. Okay, y'all are gonna die. Hello. Guys, this box is a mess. It is so ripped out of the corner, and then so much so that this whole bottom part came out, and it took everything I had not to peek. Okay, so I've been good. Let me swing around and we'll do first peeks together. Well, so much for first peeks. This box just kind of fell apart as I was trying to open it. But we do have some tissue. I don't see a receipt on the top, so I'm not exactly sure when I ordered this one. I want to say that maybe it was in the spring when they had a sale. I can already see we got a DOONEY on the top. I used to have a bag very similar to this, and I think my mom has one very similar. And then we have a Michael Kors, and I don't know what else underneath that, you guys. So I'm going to take a couple of thumbnails, and then I will be right back, and we will see exactly what Thredup sent me. I've got my fairy door in the background, and so we are ready to see what Thredup sent me. All right, so let's start with the first one that was right on the top, which is the DOONEY and Burke. And I will probably just put pricing on the screen. I'm going to have to look up these bags and see kind of what they comp out for. But this one looks like, so far, it's in amazing condition. You have a shoulder bag, and this is in a small, almost like a satchel size. I love this. I love these tie details on the side. Okay, the tassels on the front. You have your branding stamped in the leather there with the stitching. Here's the back. Really beautiful DOONEY and Burke fabric. The bottom is gorgeous. I love this. Okay, so the only thing I see so far is that we are missing the zipper pull. Okay, so the zipper pull is missing on this one. The interior looks awesome. Okay, I love this detail on the inside here with the 2 slip pockets. And so you can unfasten this pouch and take it out. So that is awesome. Again, this is in excellent condition. The only thing that I see is the missing zipper pull, which you could attach a tassel to it, which would be really cute, by the way, or any other zipper. So love that. I will have a price on the screen for this one. And shipping for me on items that are over £1, which is what will apply to probably most of the items in this box, is $9 shipping. I just do a flat rate. Sometimes it costs me more than that, but that's okay. I just eat the cost. We do $9 shipping. Okay, we have this huge Michael Kors. Oh my, love this. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love this red bag. It is in a red pebbled leather. Looks like it needs maybe a good wipe down and then, you know, always a conditioning. Here's your Michael Kors branding right there. There is some moderate scratching to the hardware. You can see. So you have a double handle. There's a little bit of loose thread here. So it just needs like a little trim. And then it opens out into the interior pouch, which is a zipper top. Okay. You have a zipper pocket here, your branding here, okay, your Michael Kors, the couple slip pockets, and then on this side, you have a couple slip pockets. It does look like there is some staining, like pen stains on the interior. It's not too bad, but a little bit. Okay, a large zipper pocket on the top. And then this part has a magnetic snap closure. You open it like that. So that is awesome. I mean, this bag does have some wear with the scratching, okay? But overall, the leather with a good wipe down and conditioning. Looks really great. The corners look good. So this one, you guys, is awesome. I will have a price on the screen for the Michael Kors. So we got a Dooney and a Michael Kors. I'm expecting maybe a Kate Spade. We'll see. All right, next up, we have this metallic bag. It's got a tag. Oh, this one is Rebecca Minkoff. It says Rebecca Minkoff, and then it says Lime Life by Alcone. So this may have been like a gift with the cosmetic purchase. Not really sure. You have your branding stamped right here. But again, new with tags, you guys. You have this tassel, large zip top. Okay. Beautiful metallic bag. This would be a great clutch. I love oversized clutches. It is in new condition, and there is a card slot here at the top. That's the only pocket that is on the inside. So this is awesome. I will look this one up and have a price on the screen. All right. Next up, we have a cream color bag. This one is a Marc by Marc Jacobs. So we have a Marc by Marc Jacobs. It looks like we have a crossbody bag, gold hardware. I love the Marc Jacobs nameplates. They're awesome. Okay, interior does need a good cleaning. Okay, you can see here. It's a little dirty, so you just pull the interior out like this, okay, and do a good scrub down of that, all right? You have your branding on the zipper and on the crossbody strap. Really beautiful crossbody bag. The strap looks like it's in really good condition as well, you guys. So really nice. I love kind of the ruching on the bottom of the bag. This is a great little bag. You could even take the strap off and attach like a wristlet strap to it and use it as a wristlet, or you could even use it as a clutch. So love this one. I'll have a price on the screen for the Marc Jacobs. All right, so wait a minute. Are we already down to our last item? 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys, we're already down to our last bag. That happened really fast. Okay. Our last one is a Kate Spade, you guys. I just sold a Kate Spade necklace on eBay. I love selling Kate Spade. Okay, we have a satchel or top. We have a top handle, black leather bag. You have your Kate Spade hardware here, which I believe the open spade means it's outlet. And then you have a zipper top here. All right, you have your chain detail on the strap. Let's check the strap. The strap does have some cracking to it on like the edge coat, you can see. So you could get a new strap for this. The strap's pretty awesome though. Maybe just seal it up a little bit, or you could just take a razor blade and peel the edge coat off. I've done that before, like on a Prada for myself. I didn't resell it, but and then there's maybe a little bit of wear to the edge coat here. The leather is really soft on this bag. And again, you have a black pebbled leather. You have little feet on the bottom. Overall, the bag looks really good. Let's check the inside. So again, zipper top. You have your Kate Spade branding. I don't know if you can kind of see it on the inside with your 2 slip pockets. And then this one is a zippered pocket here. And you have your Kate Spade branding. This is great. Everybody needs a good black handbag. For real. I feel like sometimes that's like the hardest bag to find, is like a black handbag you can use for anything. This one's pretty awesome, you guys. So I will look this one up and have a price on the screen for that one. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I know this is maybe a little bit of a shorter video. I am, at the time of filming this, within 6 subscribers of hitting 4,000. So if you're watching and you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing and hit that subscribe button, you guys. It doesn't cost anything, but it really helps with the growth of my channel. So I would appreciate it. You guys, I will be back on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I'm going to be opening an America's Thrift Supply jewelry bag. I haven't done one of those in a long time, but some of my YouTube friends have been getting some pretty decent ones, so I thought I would give it a shot. So that will be coming on Tuesday. We'll have more jewelry. And then next Thursday, we'll be opening a fun box from Thredup. I hope everybody has an amazing weekend. Bye, y'all.